Sono felicissima di essere nella città di Roma, secondo me è la città più bella al mondo, per la sua arte, per la sua cultura, per le persone che ci sono. Sono veramente, veramente felice di essere qua e sono veramente felice che l'evento internazionale italiano di Success Factory è stato fatto in questa città.
Millions of people all the time are coming from all around the world to see the beauty of Rome.
I had so much fun in Rome because I was always excited to come to Rome after achieving it, and I'm just enjoying the training and the event.
Very much excited between all top leaders.
These type of leadership trainings are the best to develop to the next level.
It's all about helping people.
I feel comfortable with the future of this company.
When you make a decision, keep it on that. Real happiness is being in balance.
It's about inspiring people to become better.
We are in control of the technology.
We are here for you.
Trabajar en distintas partes del mundo, yo creo que eso es un sueño. Learning while you are having fun is the best thing that you can do.
And in this industry, you are the stars.
El estar en Roma ha sido para mí una experiencia incredibile.
If you're developing leaders, you're multiplying your business.
Gli eventi sono la cosa più importante quando svolgi un'attività di questo genere, perché soltanto partecipando tu in prima persona attivamente
If you don't have a dream, don't start.
Estar aquí en Roma es algo súper increíble. La verdad es que ha cambiado completamente mi forma de ver los negocios. He estado en muchas capacitaciones, pero esto es algo que va más allá de en lo que ya he estado.
Your words, your actions, your team words, your team actions is extremely important.
We had so much fun in Rome. It was a lot of learning. All the speakers who were in the stage, they were so inspiring. They gave us so much new information.
Lo puedo resumir y que ha sido memorable.